Okay, here we have a vintage old whites. I'll put in the listing how old it is once I look up the serial number. I haven't really done anything to it. I ran a couple of Clorox wipes over it. It's been in the attic for 50 years. So it had a little bit of musty smell on it, but the cord is supple still. No cracks at all in the cord. And light still works fantastically. As this machine, it is a beast runner. Quiet. I cannot believe how well this thing runs. I would normally list one this old just for parts, which is how I'm going to list it, because I haven't cleaned it or worked on it, nor am I going to jump in on this. But for somebody that knows what they're doing, wants to work with leather or canvas, these things are notorious for being able to punch through anything, especially the old rotary models. Could probably use a crimp and a glue, a little bit on the base. Nice hardwood base. Morrison pen, all original. The pictures will show the internal. And again, this is unrestored, uncleaned. Nothing been done to it. Just a strong running machine. Here's the foot pedal. It's the only part that has a little bit of rust. There's a little surface rust on the exposed portions of the foot pedal, but very surprising in how strong this thing runs. I'm amazed at how quiet and smooth. Just stunned. Like I said, I have no idea on the age. It's old though, but man, what a runner! Let's do that again before we run out of space here. Just smooth.